G'day everyone, welcome to Mudabung Aussie. Well, today we're doing a real classic Aussie dish, Vegemite and cheese scrolls. Absolutely 100% Aussie this dish, and everyone's been growing up on Vegemite since they're knee-high to a grasshopper. And we'll just go by the step-by-step process, how to make some lovely fresh Vegemite and cheese scrolls. Thank you. Welcome back everyone. There's a nice simple process to follow. The old Vegemite originates probably back over about 100 years ago. It was made from the leftover brewer's yeast from making beer. So it's a great one. It's pretty similar to Marmite and that you get in the UK, but Vegemite's probably just a tad stronger in taste. It's a pretty easy recipe. You got your bread, just got to make sure you prove it. And with the water, just make sure it's just lukewarm. If it's too cold, it won't activate the yeast, and if it's too hot, you'll kill the yeast off, so you won't get the rising you required. Now for the taste test. And the bread, lovely and light, sort of fluffy, plenty of air in it, which is great. And just the thin layer of Vegemite put on, you can just taste it. It's not too strong. And there's plenty of cheese in there. This is a great savoury snack. You eat them warm straight out of the oven, or have them cold for a snack during the day. But I highly recommend it. If you want to ever try something dinky-die Aussie, this is the dish. The old Vegemite and cheese scrolls. Enjoy it. I know I am, and I know you will too. So if you like it, hit the like button, press the subscribe button, or leave a comment below. Until the next video, thank you very much for watching.